If you are facing this msvcp140.dll error while playing games or using any program, then relax and don't panic. This error can be fixed easily. Most of the times, this error comes up when a game or software trying to use that exact DLL file, and without it, it will show you this error. But now let's talk about how you can fix this. In this video, I will show you two methods, and by using these methods, you can easily fix this DLL error. The prime difference between method 1 and method 2 is that in method 1, you will need to download a 100 KB file, whereas in method 2, you will need to download a much larger 14 MB file. But both of these methods works and you can choose whichever you want to use. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before I show you the method, the first thing which you need to check is whether you have a 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. You can check it by clicking on this PC icon or my computer icon, then press right click and select properties. Here you can easily check which type of operating system you have. Now I will show you the method 1, and by using this method you can easily solve this msvcp140.dll error. Firstly, open any browser and head over to google.com. After this, now search for this beyond.com msvcp140.dll, and after that click on the first result. Now scroll down and download this file. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then download 32-bit file, and if you are using 64-bit operating system, then you have to download both 32-bit and 64-bit files. Now I am using a 64-bit operating system, so we will download both files. After downloading these files, open both of them. Now open Explorer and then open C drive. Now open Windows folder and scroll down until you see this System32 and syswow64 folder, and drag the 32-bit version file in syswow64 folder and drag this 64-bit file in System32 folder. Drag this 64-bit file in System32 folder. Always remember to drag the 32-bit version in syswow64 folder and 64-bit version in System32 folder. But those who are using 32-bit operating system will need to drag 32-bit file in System32 folder. After doing this, you need to restart your PC and your game or program will working fine. Now sometimes this will not work, but that's a rare case. So you can use the second method. The first thing is same, you need to check which type of operating system you have, and then open your browser and head over to beyond.com. Now in the search bar, search for this Visual C++, and now open this first link. Now download this program. If you are using 32-bit OS, then download 32-bit version, and if you are using 64-bit version, then download 64-bit version. Now I'm using 64-bit operating system, so I will download this 64-bit version. After downloading it, install it as a regular program, and now restart your PC. Congratulations, your game or software will start working now, and please leave a comment below and show other users that these methods works.